Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect eBay to CJ Dropshipping. So let's get started. First of all, open CJ Dropshipping and then go to the authorization. Now select connecting platform eBay. So here the eBay dashboard will open. Click on the add store button. Copy the store name and paste it in your bar here and then click authorize. Now agree to the terms and conditions, and here you will see the CJ and eBay connected. In eBay store you will see the success of CJ store. So that's how you will connect eBay to dropshipping, to CJ Dropshipping. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.